guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about a part of weekly skincare routine. So it's about a weekly self-pampering one. In this session, I'm going to share you about weekly skincare routine. So let's get started. Step number 1. Cleansing. Benefit of facial cleansing is the removal of dirt, oil. Daily facial washing removes these impurities to give the skin a fresh look. For cleansing, I have been using Wow Foaming Face Wash and Himalaya's Clear Complexion Whitening Face Wash. Sometimes I use milk or curd also. Step number 2. Steaming. Doing steaming open up your pores also softens the blackheads, making them easier to remove. It promotes blood circulation also. Step number 3. Exfoliating your skin and lips. Eliminate stubborn dead skin cells and flakes from the skin surface. Help reveal new skin under the dead skin cells and the flakes. Gives the skin a natural rosy and dewy glow. You can use any scrub to exfoliate. If you want homemade scrub, then go and check my channel or description box for DIY body scrub. Step number 4. Face pack. They help to restore the lost shine. They help to prevent premature aging of skin. Formation of wrinkles, fine lines and sagging of skin will be controlled. Number 5. Moisturizing. Moisturizing reduces the chances of skin problems and moisturizing helps your skin stay young. So it's very important to moisturize your skin. If you don't have any moisturizer, so you can use aloe vera gel. Okay, I hope this video is really useful for you all out there, and if you want more useful tips, then subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button for more updates and give us a big thumbs up. See you in the next video.